I am Tamer Jaber. I am the Group Sales Director of Aksum Group Companies. We are joined this time Eurosatory 2026 as a second step after our establishment companies in UAE and in Uzbekistan. We start here, we call Europe is the next step for our products. We are manufacturers for a lot of company. We have Aksum Group holding company. Aksum Group is included Aksum armored vehicle and Aksum marine boat and glass manufacturers and steel engineering. We have a lot of products in one home place in United Arab Emirates, and we consider to be next step for us to be in Europe through the gate of Eurosatory 2026. We joined also Eurosatory here this 2026 to get also the information and the technology what all people joined Eurosatory 2026 here in Paris to understand the developments and the partnership also with our products.